Hello friends, we are back with another marvelous designer video. I'm so sorry for being MIA because of my health problems, but now we are back. And thank you so much for your love, support and patience for the time being. Now welcome again to CGFamily, and today we are gonna learn how to make a ruffled dress just like this. So let's begin. Okay, now let's take a new scene and we're gonna start with this pose. This is the default pose we have. So we are going to start with the basic dress like we did in the previous ones. If you haven't checked it out, please check it out on my CGFamily channel. So let's start. First we are going to take this polygon and we are going to make the outline of the dress we are going to make. That was one shoulder dress, so let's make it. Let's keep it pretty basic. I'm making a short dress, but if you like you can make a long maxi dress. Today we are gonna just learn how to make ruffle dresses. So we are gonna make it on the neckline. Let's see, this is the front of our dress as we made it with polygon. So now we are gonna copy this mirror paste. Now this is our back. First wipe horizontally and then we are gonna shift it to the back. We are just angling it so it will be easy for simulation. So this is the dress. Now we are going to sew it with the segment sewing. Let's start with the shoulder. This is pretty basic as we have done in our previous ones. Now let's see with simulation how it fits. Okay, this fits perfectly. It's just a bit low, so we are gonna make this bit high from underarm. Simulate it again, and I think it's perfect for now. This is our basic dress. Okay, now we are going to make a ruffled neckline. For that, first we have to make some triangles. That's how we are going to make the neckline. So first we are going to make a rectangle. Now we are going to select the lower edge and split it into many segments. Use uniform split for uniformity. Let's make it 18. I think that will be enough. Now select the alternate points that we are gonna shift. Just leave few inches. Okay, now we are gonna make the next part of it. I think should be a bit longer, so I'm gonna shift it like this. Now we are gonna make with another polygon tool. Take here and here, here and here. Now take this. Now we have to make the instances of this shape. I'm going to tell you how to do that. Let's shift this. Now right click on it, go for instance pattern, right click here, and you'll get number of shapes and interval. Interval is, I think, pretty good. So let's make this. We need 8 more, so I think this is good. Yeah, let's shift these a bit. Now we are gonna sew the edges of this with the edges of this triangles. Let's start the sewing. Just like this, and do same with every triangle. I forgot to make these triangles curvy. First make them curvy. We made it instant so that if we do something with the original one, it will be automatically updated to the other ones. So let's do them a bit curvy. This is necessary for our ruffled neckline. Now let's first freeze the dress so that it won't budge when you simulate it, and freeze this too. Now we're going to simulate so that it will be stick to this. As you can see, this is pretty much done. I think this is too much for it. Let's make it a bit less. Okay, simulate it again. I think it's good. So now what we are going to do, we are going to attach this edge with the neckline of our dress. So let's do this. Always do the sewing in the 3D view. It's more easy and it will be good. So let's do this like this and unfreeze this. Now let's simulate again. Okay, let's do few things first. I think it's too big, so okay, since now it's adjusted, let's simulate this again. This is quite good. Now let's make the other part of it. The back part, select this, copy and mirror paste. We got the mirror paste. Go up, flip horizontally, and there we go. We're gonna sew this to the back of neckline. This, and now we're gonna simulate, and it's attached. Now we're gonna attach these also with the sewing. Now it's simulate, and it's attached. We're gonna do the same for this side. If the body is getting in your way for sewing or doing something else for any action, you can always hide the body till you are perfecting it. For that you have to go ensure that and hide it. Now we can see it properly and we can sew it. Simulate it again, and there you go. This is the ruffle neckline I wanted. I think it has come out perfectly like I wanted. It's like 80s ruffle dress with the disco and everything. I like this. And do you know why the body is showing through the dress? As I told you in the previous one, we have to decrease the particle distance of the dress. So let's make it 10 and you will see the difference. We have to unfreeze it also. It work. And there you go. Your dress is ready and perfect. And now we are gonna texture it. Somehow I really love the color blue, so let's go with this. I like cyan color really well, and this will go on guest dress. Oh, I really love it. And for the ruffle neck, I think I'll give it a bit of texture, so add another fabric, go to texture map. I'm taking this texture and I'm gonna apply this texture to these. And the color won't go, so let's change the color of the fabric. It's nice. So this is our desired dress. It was really easy, guys. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much for joining us again. And if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon.